That's right, guys. It is track day. Welcome back for some exciting races. This is a new season for King of the Tower. We got some interesting drivers in the lineup. We have some returning ones as well. Let's go ahead and start introducing them as they come in. All right, returning for like the 9th time, Mustang Hunter in the Mighty Maverick. Hopefully he goes a little bit further than he has in the past. The Wizard Man in the Turbine Sublime is in the lineup. Big Daddy DIECAST back with the Dodge Copperhead for the Dodge concept car. And we got Gary Redmond in the new Chevy Stalker. My man went from the Mustang to the Chevy. And we got Dale Garcia in the Ford Thunderbird. Beautiful rake on that car. And then Steve Zielinski is back from the first season, and now he is back into this one in the same Mercedes-Benz 500E. And let's go ahead and see who's going to go up head-to-head first race. It's going to be Dale versus Gary Redmond, stock car versus stock car. Let's see how well this goes. Beautiful cars right here. Last season, Gary was in the 2005 Mustang, which was dominating a lot of those races. Let's see how well he does in this one. First go and gets a huge lead over Dale. Oh my God. He didn't even cross the finish line on that one. Man, Ford versus Chevy, guys. Battle of the brands. Who's going to take it? I can tell from the first race that Gary is just dialed in inside of that Chevy Stalker. Beautiful. Look at that. Taking him to Gapplebee's. And that's what Gary Redmond is known for, is having some very fast vehicles. So he will be the winner of this first race. Dale does not take that one. All right, two powerhouses right here. Big Daddy DIECAST in the Dodge Concept, aka the Copperhead, going up against Steve Zielinski in the Mercedes-Benz 500E class. Now let's see who's going to take it, the German build or the Concept American built. And it looks like Steve takes this one. Was not expecting that Mercedes to be so quick off the line. Man, Big Daddy's got to do something in that Dodge. I mean, it's a beautiful car. The Copperhead should have been a production car, and I feel like that's what kind of led up to the Prowler, which is also a fail. But man, beautiful color in that Copperhead, and here we go. Big Daddy dialed it in, reeled him in, and took the win. It is now 1-1. Who's going to take this one? We have seen that Mercedes-Benz perform very well, but the Copperhead is now in the mix. Big Daddy just dials it in and takes the win at the very end. Close, head-to-head. Look at that replay. Man, that's good racing. Yo, my guys, Chopper Bob tuning into the new season of Racers, and Steve almost had him at the end, but that Copperhead, man, don't sleep on that Mopar. Big Daddy took that one. Nice. All right, here we go. Mustang Hunter and the Wizard Man lining up at the start gate. You can see the concentration on Mustang Hunter. He hasn't had any luck these past maybe 4 or 5 seasons. So a little bit of old school going up against some future tech, and the Mighty Maverick takes it. Mustang Hunter looks pretty good in that Maverick, man. It just took not driving a Mustang to take a really good win. So here we go. It looks like the Wizard Man's dialing in his vehicle because he just does not want to lose up against an old school Maverick like this. Beautiful car, but I mean, if you're losing to a Maverick in a car that you came in like that, man, and there we go. Mustang Hunter takes a huge lead, giving the win. And of course, you can see on the top left screen, those are the winners of these brackets. And the losers are on the right-hand side, which they'll be going head-to-head. And then they will migrate over to the top 3. And we will start setting the tower itself and see who the overall King of the Tower for this first race is. So there are the winners right there standing by their vehicles. Now we're going to have Dale going up against Steve Zielinski in the Mercedes, the beautifully fast red Mercedes. Don't sleep on it, guys. It's a fast sedan right there. Oh yeah, there we go. Leaving him behind. It looks like Dale has some issues with that Thunderbird. I don't know. Yep, looks like he might have blown something. So he's not going to be able to finish that race, but he's going to try to go up against Cody Collins because he has no other way to not be moved off the tower. If he doesn't race, he gets eliminated. So he has to go. So here we go. Wizard Man going up against Dale in the Thunderbird. Another old school car going up against some future tech. Let's see if the Wizard Man takes this one. Oh, pretty fair off at the start, but Cody took that one. And Dale's just having a lot of issues with this Thunderbird. Man, I hate to say it, guys, but that was back when Fords were not as reliable as they are now. So Cody takes it, and it looks like Dale's going to be sitting as the gatekeeper. So now we're going to be moving up the tower and start seeing who's going to be taking whose spot. So Mustang Hunter is going up against Steve Zielinski, or Steve Zielinski's trying to go up against the Mustang Hunter to take his spot. Let's see. Maverick's pretty quick. Benz is pretty quick. Let's go. Oh, man. There it is. All right, Mustang Hunter might have some problems with this one. The Mercedes took it. Steve just dials in that Mercedes very, very well. So it's not always the car, guys. It's usually the driver. Actually, 9 times out of 10, it's the driver. So here we go. Can he solidify it, taking the win away from Mustang Hunter? He does. And now he takes his spot, moving Mustang Hunter down into 4th. Now he's going up against Big Daddy in the Copperhead. Man, can he take him out? I don't know. Oh, and he reels him in. He reels him in. Big Daddy takes that one just by a fender. Man, that is too close. Too close for comfort. I'm sure Big Daddy's sweating with that top down. He's still getting the sweats, but oh man, here we go. Race number 2. Big Daddy holds him off. Nice, solidifying 2nd. Well, now Big Daddy is going to be calling out Gary in the Stalker. Oh man, here we go. 2 titans of the tower for this race. Let's see, who is it going to be? Big Daddy versus Gary. Gary's known to have some fast cars. The Chevy Stalker looks like it's pretty quick. So here we go. Yep, he is holding off Big Daddy, taking the first win. Oh man, Big Daddy's got to do something. He has to do something right here if he wants to take the top for this first race. Oh man, there we go. Gary takes it again, sitting at the top as the king of the tower for this new season. And here is our lineup, guys. You got Gary Redmond sitting in the top spot as the new king of the tower. Then we got in 2nd place Big Daddy DIECAST, Steve Zielinski in 3rd, Mustang Hunter in 4th, the Wizard Man himself in 5th, and Dale in the gatekeeper's position, 6th place. Man, awesome new lineup, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that one. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. And of course, see you next race day.